our fourth show
Yes!
tour, and we did practice a lot to see you guys, so I'm so happy that I can see you in person. Look at all the members, they look so happy to see you too. Hurry up and introduce themselves. So, can each of you introduce yourselves for us, please?
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm Mixx. I have always wanted to meet more fans of clothes. I'm so very excited to be here. Thank you, Enzo. Let's have a great time today.
Hello, I'm Jill Forming. I'm happy to be on this global tour. I have always dreams of today. I'm also nervous because it's our first global tour. Hello, Enzo.
I'm so happy to meet with more answer in person for this showcase tour. I hope to make more answer in the future. Let's make good memories today.
Yeah!
Yes, hello! Yes, this is our first Bluebird tour, so I'm very nervous, but also I'm very, very excited. I want to show you everything we prepared. I want to interact and make good memories with our answer in the live. Hello everyone, I'm Lily. I'm so excited to see you. I've actually never been to Texas before, so I'm already in love with it. The weather here is just my style, so I'm so happy to see you guys. And tomorrow too. I'm excited to see you tomorrow too.
Yes!
I've always wanted to go and see lots of different answers from all around the world, and I'm so happy that I got the opportunity to do so today. I love you!
This is our first tour under our name Nmixx. It's more meaningful and makes me happy. Thank you for all the love and support from far away. And I always wanted to see you all up close. Like It's nice to mix you, everyone.
아무도 모르게 우리도 바꾸고 왔던 너와 everyday 누가만 상상 없는 내게 기대는
Nmixx 최고!
We just performed Cool and My God! Both of our songs are about emotions.
Yeah.
Seoryun and Chiu, could you please help answers understand what the songs are about?
Cool is a song that compares the experience of feeling, seeing, and building emotions to a change in the weather. My God talks about the surprise of feeling new emotions through meeting special people.
I felt it was more meaningful that we could sing both songs with answer together.
Absolutely.
When I was performing, I felt so happy because I could share my emotions with answer.
Yeah. Since those two were ballads, why don't we put the energy up again? Can you scream for me? Okay, let's get this energy up again. Yeah. Yeah, I can feel it, I can feel it. Feel the energy, I can feel it. Time really flew by because there were so many docking moments between Nmixx and Answer. Yeah. Everyone, you're docking with us, right? Sadly, it's already time to end Showcase tour. Before we go, guys, could you please tell us how you felt spending time with Dallas Answers today?
First of all, I say thank you to all of our fans for coming today. Thank you, Ansel. I had so much fun with you. I'm so happy! And I really hope to see you again soon. Okay? I have things to tell you. Are you a time traveler? Because I see you in my future.